Remember the foods you missed the most when you learned you had to cut gluten forever? Breads, buns, cookies, cakes, pizzas. What did you replace all those things with? What became your new go-to favorite foods? You don't need to be a master chef to cook gluten-free. Everyone who's affected by having to go gluten-free needs to cook for themselves, their families, and teach the others around them. So let me know the recipes you have, because I am compiling all of your favorites to help people who are transitioning to their new gluten-free life. Do you have a recipe to help someone transitioning to their new gluten-free life? Let me know. The recipes have started coming in from across the country, and I couldn't be more excited. So many great things, from home cooks to celeb chefs, all cooking levels. So if you have a recipe, send it in. Let's get it in the book and help people transitioning to their gluten-free life. This project is to support the Gfreewifey food bank initiatives. All the recipes that we cook, prepare, and photograph will be donated to community food banks and food rescue programs to provide access to safe food for people who eat gluten-free. If you have any questions or are interested in being a sponsor of this project, please feel free to contact me, Jessica Danford. You can visit our website at www.gfreewifey.com.